Why? Let's find out the solutions for hiding billing and shipping informations in WooCommerce plugin in WordPress from WordPress dashboard. Right. Say we have a WordPress that I installed in my local machine, and I just log in using the admin. I'm the admin user. I mean the role is administrator, and I want to see the order and the details. Details means what billing and shipping information and other informations as well. But I want to hide this client information from other users, say for example test users or any other operators or the uh, other types of operator users, like different role that I don't want to see them the customers information. This is my goal in this video. So let's begin how we hide this information. Definitely I will use a test user, right? Go to the user panel. So I have two users, say one is admin and one is test user. I just use the shop manager like role, and I'm just login as a user as an administrator. So test user, let's click the incognito mode, and I just logged in here as a test user. As test user I can see the orders, and as a admin I can see orders as well, e-commerce. So what is my goal? That hiding information from test users, right? What kind of information? Like billing and shipping information. See, billing and shipping information. There is the basic summary, but when you go into the detail page, like the order detail page, here you can see the billing and shipping information. But when I moving to the user as a test user, and if I going to click this is showing a alert with that the currently admin is currently using editing this post. So from the admin dashboard I just go back to any other page, and this page I just click go and refresh the test user page, and it's gone. There was a lock, now it's open for me as a test user, and here I am. I cannot see billing and shipping informations, right? So to get this success, how I uh, did this from the code level, right? So go back to the code level. So we have two kinds of uh, function.php. One is wp includes, say for example this is the location of functions.php, where it's under the wp includes, right? So WordPress test and wp includes, you can see the functions.php. Here where is the function.php? So I just getting help from IDE. So here is the function.php. I just open it. And another thing is that we have a theme, like we are currently using the storefront theme. So let's go to the appearance and the themes. I will definitely show you who are not familiar in the code level. They also can do the same things using the WordPress theme editor file. So we have I have now only one theme, name is storefront, and in the code say c storefront dot slash functions dot php, where it is in the project directory wp content and the themes, and under the theme we have the storefront theme and the function.php. So we need to use this 3 to 4 lines of codes to be placed here, like here or here. Both will work as a perfect way, but it depends on how you are using this one and where you are putting this, and the functionality or goal will be remain same. I will show you, but for now I'm using this storefront.function.php. So go back to the admin panel, and there is a menu, theme file editor. Just I'm clicking in this menu, theme file editor, under the appearance menu in the left side panel on in the dashboard. Okay, So it's loading. It's getting probably slow. Yes, I just got it. So see, selected themes to edit. My one is storefront. If you have multiple themes, there will be more options here. But say we have the activated theme, this one storefront, and we have theme function. See, functions.php. If I click this option, the WordPress gives us option to edit the code or add any code here, right? So I just added it from my ID. You can add it here, you can add here this snippets, code snippets, and update the file. So go back to the here, and I just going to comment these options and saving this file, and I'm reloading. You can do these things either process through the WordPress admin panel and the code level. So I am focusing on both parties. Anyone can do that. So this is hidden, right? So if I go to the here and click the see, I'm a test user and I can now see the billing and shipping information like email address, phone number, and so on. Because my goal sorry, my goal is to hide information like sensitive information, email, phone number, so that other users or shop managers or some other operators cannot contact with this persons directly. So this is our secure information, sensitive information to the other people. So as a admin or company owner or the business owner, I need to hide this one from my some of users or some type of roles. So go back to the here, and if you do these things in another file, I just save it and click here. So it's loading. See, it's gone. So both files are working. So it's your turn to decide or to choose your options. You are doing from the code level, or you are updating snippets from theme file. So I will share this codes from 1 2 3 4 5 6 I mean 5 to 6 or 7 lines of code I will share in the descriptions, and you can use this one. So let's get it back and click the save and see the files. I just commented. I'm not updating from here because in my local machine it's going to messy. It's not updating for the permission level in my uh, Mac PC. So that's why I'm using the ID, but both are same. You can do it here from the theme file editor and choose your the activated theme and go to the functions.php. So now click this one. See how it works. It's loading. This is nothing. So no informations are here. So go back to the dashboard from the user test. So user test is done, and I'm going back to the admin user panel. So clicking the orders from the WooCommerce menu in the left sidebar, then clicking a order which status is browsing. See, I'm the admin user. I can see these the things, right? So I can see the sensitive informations, right? So my goal is done. Let's get back to the code level. What it's going on? There is a action that I just added from uh, I got this information from the documentation that we need a options that these actions can be hidden. These actions can be hidden like it's the name, and the function name, it's the reference function. So this will click the actions if current user is not administrator. See, if the current user is not administrator, if you want more role here, you can do it with or operator, using or operator or and operator, whatever you want, or you can use multiple if conditions and use these options as css, like see style, and you are inspecting address display is none, right? So here you will find the class, your class addresses. If you want more options to be teachable. Just find your class or id. This is the css task. This is very easy, you know. I believe on it. You are expert on it. Definitely you can do that. You can do the html markup with the tag or css, right? So I'm just explaining in code that this codes how is working. So okay, we are done here. Thank you for watching my content.